Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete old posts in WordPress and increase your SEO ranking. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and log into your WordPress account over here. This is my home page. And here we are looking for the post option on the left hand side over here. Click on the post option and it will show all of your posts. And here how can we find the old posts? Just simply click on the all dates option over here. It will show all the dates you have, and actually click on the oldest date you have, like posts of it will show the old posts only, and it will refresh it. Just simply refresh it and it will show the oldest posts. As you can see, there are not many posts of mine, so it is not showing the oldest posts of my WordPress account. As you can see over here, after you have located the old post, then just simply click on the old post, and here you can see the trash icon over here. Simply click on the trash icon and your post will be trashed or deleted from your WordPress account. And after doing it several times, you can actually delete all of your posts which do not align with your current blog right now. Then after you have deleted all your posts, your C SEO ranking will be increased automatically. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.